90 products to finish. Let's see how I did in April. It's been an iffy month with a couple of episodes of angioedema and acute urticaria, so I had to go in for shots a couple of times to the emergency room, and for those few days, I was very woozy and, sleeping all the time. I was unfortunately given steroids as well, so it wasn't very easy this month, although it was my birthday month. I'm actually wearing the birthday earrings that are a gift from my dad. It was my first birthday without my granddad, and the rest of the family tried to sort of chip in to make me make me distracted. Yeah. Anyway, empties. So let's do the makeup first, because if I start talking about grams, I'll start crying. Makeup Forever HD High Definition Primer. This is actually all gone, despite appearances. Look, all gone. So some of you may know from last year's videos that I was actually on the lookout for a Holy Grail primer after Smashbox very kindly discontinued my Smooth and Blur Super Light Primer. They still have the Smooth and Blur original primer, but they've gone and discontinued the Super Light Primer, and Super Light was my Holy Grail. The thing about Super Light, I will talk about all the primers that I've been using over the next couple of weeks, because I am filming that today right after Empties. The thing about Super Light is that it was mattifying at the same time hydrating. I don't know if that makes sense. It wasn't moisturizing, but it was hydrating and mattifying, so I absolutely loved it. It was also slightly blurry, softening, not blurring as such. It wasn't, one of those silicone, pasty, putty-like things that you fill up the pores with, or your pitted acne scars with. It was just an overall softening effect, so I absolutely loved it. This one sadly did not come close. I've been looking for a Holy Grail primer. The journey I will talk about in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. So I will not be repurchasing this. Now, one more makeup product, rather old. Sarah McNamara Miracle Skin Transformer Acne Control. This is actually a BB cream or a CC cream or a tinted moisturizer, tinted acne treatment product, whatever you want to call it. There is a tint, as you can see. The shade unfortunately was too dark for me. I finally managed to use it up after a few years of owning it. It was on the verge of going bad, I think. I don't think it's fully gone. I won't be repurchasing this. I don't think, it is a particular acne control product as such. Nor was it hydrating, nor was it the right shade for me. So I won't be repurchasing. Right, let's move on to skincare now. Cleanser, Origins Transcription Anti-Aging Cleanser. I don't know how a cleanser can possibly be anti-aging, but I am not a beauty manufacturer or a beauty brand. So yeah. Let's just say that they probably have a few tricks up their sleeve. Anyway, it wasn't particularly anti-aging or anything. It was a decent cleanser, rather gel-like. Second cleanser, very mild. Won't be repurchasing it. Nothing special. There are far better ones out there that cost less. Right, toner. Another one done. Adelabo Premium Shiro June Lotion. All gone. This is the refill. People have got 3 more refills to use up. I think 4 more refills to use up. While the refills are cheaper, they're not. I don't think this is recyclable. At least I don't know if this is recyclable. On the other hand, if you buy the full bottle, that is indeed recyclable, or at least reusable. You can, use it if you're an avid gardener by filling it up with plant medicine or whatever, and then apply it to the roots and things. Don't ask me, I'm not an avid gardener, my dad is. Essence, Purito Galactoniacin Power 97 Essence. I absolutely love this product. It is a great essence, I think. There is another version, there is a booster version of this which is bigger. This one is slightly more lipidic than the bigger booster version. Either way, you can buy either one. I think this is a product that it is interchangeable. I will use up the booster one of these days and show you that one as well. I've shown it to you in the past because these are products that are part and parcel of my routine. The Purito Essence and the serum, that is the unscented Centella serum is my Holy Grail serum, and the Galactoniacin essence is my Holy Grail essence. So these are products that are staples in my routine. You'll see them a lot in my empties. Now, actual serum or ampoule, Innisfree black tea youth enhancing ampoule. It was hydrating, but it didn't do squat. You know, I think it was just hydrating. What I am looking for is something that will make a difference to my pitted acne scars, with which I've struggled from 2017, I think, or 2016. Which is actually why I started this channel, in the sense, to become more comfortable. I mean, I started putting myself on camera so that, I would be more comfortable with the idea of my own acne scars. Top secret that nobody knew about this channel until right now. I mean, yeah, it is for a lark, but then one reason I started putting myself out there is to become more comfortable with my pitted acne scars. Yes, I didn't do much. I won't be repurchasing it. Now we come to day cream. Sample it was. All gone. Sicily, I know. Sicily Lantagral on anti-age day cream. I don't know about anti-age or day cream. It was fairly hydrating, nothing really special. Far better day creams out there for the price. Won't be repurchasing either. Scrub Derma E Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. Now, Derma E, pre-pandemic, a couple of years before the pandemic, that is 2017-ish or 2018, 2019, I don't know, 2018, I think. Around that time, this brand started appearing on every darn influencer, blogger, YouTuber, person who talks about beauty on the interwebs. On all the platforms that were talking about beauty. I had my suspicions at the time because, you're having a massive PR rollout. That's what I read there. And I tried a couple of products. This was the latest one, and I think it is god-awful. It was a silvery, blacky silvery substance, greyish silvery substance, which wasn't a good scrub at all. It actually, I thought it was grease, it was not elbow grease. I'm talking about proper engine grease that, your granddad used to put in his car when you were a kid. And he used to come indoors with grease marks all over his vest, and your gran used to scold him for it. That grease, yeah, that was the grease that this reminded me of. It wasn't a good scrub at all. I hated it. I managed to use it up somehow. I don't know, this brand, I don't get on with it. I don't understand why every single influencer was raving and, drooling all over this brand at all. Well, I tell you, everything you see out there is PR, which is why this channel is going to badmouth everything ever. Advent calendars, skincare products. Anyway, lip product, Rose & Co. Rose Petal Salve. Now, this is good, and it comes in a nice keepsake tin, which you can use as a little trinket box. Very nice tin. Will be used as a trinket box. I think this will look very nice on a vanity. Yeah, the Rose & Co. lip products are great for winter. This or Nuxe Rev de Mille, very difficult. Either will do. Bath & Body Works, Fairy Tale. The notes are, hang on, pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, vanilla bean, and one more warm amber. Love this so much. This is among the top 5 Bath & Body Works fragrances for me. I will repurchase this once I run out of all the Bath & Body products that I have. So I think that's 10 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 products, which means I have 80 to do from May till December. Will I get there? Stay tuned to find out. What did you finish this month? Do tell me in the comments below. I would love to know. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell.